Here's how to save designs and organize them into lists on InStitch. Start by entering the InStitch web address and opening the site. Signed out, you can browse designs, but you can't save or download them. Click Sign in the bottom left corner. Enter your account info, then hit Sign in. Once you're in, your library is on the left. First up is Likes. This is where your saved designs live. Find a design you want, then save it. Hover over any design and a heart icon pops up in the top left. Click the heart to add it to Likes. You can do that right from the design card. Or open the design and hit the heart in the top right. Next is My Patterns. That's where your uploaded designs live. Upload your own designs here so other people can view and download them. The third section is your design lists. Use lists to keep your favorite designs organized. Once you add a design, you'll see it inside the list. Open the Settings menu on the right. You'll see 4 options. First, Pin to Top. Second, Rename List. Give the list a name that fits what you're using it for. Third, Make Private. Only you can see a private list. Fourth, Delete List. Down below, you'll see the designers you follow.